Today I will teach you how to make a very simple and delicious Chinese-style broccoli dish. First of all, we need to prepare 1 broccoli and 2 spoons of oyster sauce. To prepare, first clean the broccoli, separate into small pieces. Now that all of the preparation is done, we will cook. Use hot water, boil the broccoli for 5 minutes. Put some salt into the water to make the broccoli keep the green color. When the broccoli becomes soft, turn off the heat and take the broccoli off. Put the oyster sauce on the surface of the broccoli. You now have a very delicious Chinese-style oyster sauce flavored broccoli dish. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you want more delicious Asian-inspired recipes, please click subscribe below. Thank you very much for your watching.